Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Lovely's allotment. So today we had another trip to our allotment and it was lovely to be there. We got a little surprise, but I'll talk about that later, so keep on watching. So here I want to talk about is what I use as a natural slug repellent. I hate too many chemicals and things, so I try all sorts of different things. So something here is tea bags. Something if you use them or your friends or family will have them, get them to collect them, open them up and sprinkle them around. Apparently slugs, and this just works for me, so you do things your own way, slugs don't like the tea leaves and they hate the smell of caffeine apparently. So we shall see how this continues to work for me. I mean, I've moved my broccolis and don't seem 100% happy in their new space, but we'll watch them over the next few days. We also, I watered everything, had a good look around the allotment. There you go. So sprinkled them. Probably should have used warm gloves, but it doesn't seem to have stained my hands too much. But maybe that's something you could do. And then the bags, we've got the ones that are no plastic etc in them, because that's what I like. Those bits have gone into the compost, and really the way I look at this, the worst that could happen is your garden's going to get a little bit more nutrients from the tea bags, because tea bags are great for composting. So here we are. Gavin is moving a shed onto the plot. One of our allotment neighbours knew someone who didn't need this shed anymore, and they delivered it to our plot for us, so he had to lift it on and bring that on for us. So yeah, pretty impressed with what we managed to get done today. So we just managed to lift it onto the plot, dig a few weeds up, water everything, but we will build it at some point. So guys, I hope you're having a lovely Sunday. I hope your allotment or gardening journey is going well. Whatever stage you're at it, just enjoy it. Comment down below what you've been doing this weekend. Give us a like to show us you're engaging in the videos. And don't forget to subscribe for some more awesome free tips that might help you in your gardening journey, save you a bit of cash and stop stuff going to landfill. Lots of love, guys.